In the heart of the vibrant jungle, a gathered of animals convened to declare who would be their next king. The wise old owl, Professor Nanny, moderated the council. The jungle needs a leader with courage, wisdom, and compassion. Professor Nanny declared, let each candidate showcase their unique gift. Lionel the lion boosted up his fearless roar. Monkey Max demonstrated his agility. Elephant Ella displayed her exceptional memory. Giraffe Gerald showcased her far-reaching vision. But then, a humble tortoise, Terry, spoke softly. I may not be the strongest or fastest, but I listen and understand every creature's need. The animals were moved by Terry's words. Lionel's roar couldn't reach every corner. Monkey Mac's agility couldn't help every species. Elephant Elo's memory couldn't recall every detail. And Giraffe Gerald's vision couldn't see every struggle. Terry's compassion and empathy won ever the hearts of the jungle inhabitants. The tortoise shall be our king, Professor Nanny declared. Terry, the unlikely hero, ruled with kindness and fairness. The jungle flourished under his gentle guidance. One day, a severe drought struck. Terry's gathered his council. Lionel provided bravery. Max contributed agility. Ella shared wisdom, and Gerald offered insight. Together they found a hidden water source. The jungle celebrated Terry's wise leadership. A king's strength lies not in power, but in uniting and serving his people, Terry said, and so the jungle diverse creatures thrived under Terry's